Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing? Great too? Good. That's very great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your numeracy class. So in today's class we will be talking about what is the difference between the gross weight and the net weight, okay? So tell me how many of you have heard this term before? The gross weight and the net weight. Yes. Well, you have heard the term weight before, right? Right? Okay. So, have you heard about the gross weight and net weight? Yes or no? No? Okay, not an issue. We will learn this together. Let's first quickly revise what we have learned so far about the weight. Who is going to tell me what does weight mean for us? It basically tells us how heavy an object is, right? The how heavier an object is the weight of that object. Okay. So how can we measure that? Through weighing machines, right? What can be the weighing machines? Yes, there are a lot of weighing machines, right? So let's say we discuss that the weighing machine on which we can measure our weight. There are weighing machines which are being available in the shops, like the fruit sellers or the vegetable sellers. They have one. Then the different grocery shops have the weighing machine. Then there is this weighing machine which is being on the airport to measure the weight of the luggage people carry so that it does not exceed the limit and so on. So we have different types of weighing machines to measure the weight of objects. Now I'm going to share the screen with you, and through with the help of this picture, there is this description about what is gross weight and what is net weight. We will discuss this. Okay, so these are basically characteristics of gross weight and net weight. Let's look at the first one. Now the first one is gross weight. Says that total weight being shipped including the raw product, packaging, container, crates and pallets, everything. Let's say you ordered something from, you ordered online something, right? You ordered the shoes. Now the shoes are being packed in a box. Now that box is being packed in another box and it is being sealed from above and then into a packet, and then the courier bring it to you, right? So the gross weight will be all of the weight of all of these things. Now net weight means weight of only the raw product ordered, for example 2 liter of milk. Now the net weight of that shoes, that ordered shoes, would be the weight of only a pair of shoes, excluding the box, excluding the packing, excluding the packet, everything, right? So the gross weight is the total weight which includes everything, but the net weight is only the weight of that raw material or the product which is being ordered. Then let's talk about weight calculation. How do we calculate the gross weight? So gross weight is equal to net weight plus stair weight. Now net weight is the weight of that object. The stair weight means that the extra weight of the packaging, the box, etc., etc. Right? And what is net weight? Net weight is equal to raw product, the raw product, right, which is equal to gross weight minus tear weight. So you will basically minus the tear weight from the gross weight to get the net weight of that thing, which is only the raw product weight. Like I give you the example that when you ordered shoes, so the only weight of a pair of shoes would be the net weight of that product, right? Now, relevance to tear weight mean that tear weight is included into the gross weight. In the gross weight, we include this because I told you that tear weight basically means the weight of the packaging, the weight of container, the weight of crates, pallets, etc. And tear weight is not part of the net weight. We have discussed it earlier. That net weight only includes the weight of that particular raw material. Okay. So these two things are very important for you to learn. Now I want all of you to please open your book, page number 83. This is page number 83. Please open this. There are some exercise questions on this page. It says that circle the best estimate, right? Now you are supposed to just estimate it, that how would it be. Now because you already have an idea, because we are doing this topic from like the whole week, so now you have an idea that what is the basically unit that we use to measure the weight of a particular thing. So if we talk about the butter, do we measure the butter in kgs? No, in grams, right? Now it's a small piece of butter, so can it be 5 gram? No, it looks more than 5 grams. So it's 100 grams. So circle around the 100 gram. Then we have needle. What would be the weight of this needle? 1 gram, 10 gram, or 20 gram? 1 gram is most suitable, right? Okay. Then we have a book. 8 grams, 80 grams, 800 grams. Which looks more suitable to you? 800. Okay, circle it. Then we have a happy birthday card. Well, the card is of 3 gram, 30 gram, or 300 gram. Which looks more suitable to you? 3 gram, right? Okay. Then we have a feather. A feather can be of 1 gram, 10, or 100. Which is more suitable? 1 gram. Okay. Then we have a cake. A cake can be of 3 gram, 30, or 300. So which one is more suitable in this? 300 grams. Wonderful. Okay, so after this, your book has also given the definitions of gross weight and net weight. So let's see what are they. Gross weight, it says that the weight of the contents plus the weight of the container is known as gross weight. Like I have told you before as well, that the gross weight includes the weight of container, the packaging, creates, pallets, etc. Right? And the net weight is weight of the contents minus the weight of the container. It does not include any extra weight of container, packaging, creates, pallets, etc. So net weight is only the weight of the raw product, the thing, and gross weight is the weight of all of things. By sum up the all of the weights, we get the gross weight of that. Got it? Okay. Then we have exercise number 8. It says that read the writing on the labels and answer these questions. Now let's see what is written on the labels. The first one is about peach and it says net weight 820 gram. Then we have baked beans which are about 125 gram. Then we have sugar which is of 450 gram. Then we have carrots of 780 gram. Okay, let's look at the questions. The weight of the large empty tin is 18 gram. Write the gross weight of a tin of peaches. The weight of a large empty tin is 18 gram. A large empty tin is of 18 gram. Write the gross weight of a tin of peaches. So how will we find out the weight of 10 of peaches? So basically the gross weight basically is the sum of, okay, let me write it for you. So we know that the gross weight is net weight of object plus the weight of container or the tin, right? So the net weight of peaches is what? 820 gram. Plus what is the weight of the can? It is 18 gram. So we will add both of them. 820 plus 18 equals 838 grams. So this is the gross weight of the tin of peaches. Now look at the next one. A tin of carrots. Now in order to find the tin of carrots, you will write over here, instead of 820, you will write 780 and do the same. So the answer would be 798, right? Let's look at the next question. Find the difference between the net weights of baked beans and carrots. Net weight of baked beans and carrots. What is the difference? Baked beans are 125 gram and carrots are 780. So how, in order to find the difference, what we will be doing, we will subtract. So in order to find the difference, what we will be doing, we will subtract 125 from 780. Okay, so now let's subtract it. When we can we subtract 5 from 0? It's not possible. So we will take a carry from there. It will turn to 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 7 minus 2, again 5. And 7 minus 1, 6. So this means that the difference is 655. Now you will be doing the next one by yourself. How much heavier are peaches than sugar? This means that you will find a difference between this. You will subtract the sugar one from peaches and tell me what's the difference. Hurry up. 820 minus 450. Yes. No. Do it again. Yes, excellent. 470. 370 basically, because when you will take carry from 8, it will turn to 7, right? Okay, let's move forward. Find the total net weight of all the four items. So in order to find the total net weight, what you will be doing, you will add all of the net weights, write them one above the other, and then tell me what's the answer. Hurry up. So let's write them, all of them together. 820 plus 780 plus 125 plus 450. Okay, let's add them together. Please add them and let me know what is the answer. So we will be following the same procedure: ones, tens, and hundreds. Hurry up, add them and tell me what's the answer. Okay, I'm doing it by myself and you are supposed to do yours. So tell me, let's see, do our answers match or not? Yes. Look at this. Do our answers match? Yes or no? Yes? Okay, wonderful. Now, the last one is the home assignment for you, that you are supposed to find that which item has the maximum weight and which has the minimum weight, okay? And what is the difference between their weights? Well, we have already solved it through one question, but you are supposed to do it again and then share it with me in tomorrow's class, that which item has the maximum weight and which has the lowest weight, okay? So that was all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do share this video with others because it's free learning. Do good and have good. I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.